Come test drive the 2017 Chrysler Pacifica. The Pacifica crossover features the driving attributes of a sedan and the utility and space of a minivan or SUV. The Pacifica has top-notch safety scores, an upscale interior, and a spacious cabin that leaves room for your family to grow. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, power liftgate, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, power windows, electronic stability control, fog lights, rear window defroster, compass, security system, heated steering wheel, trip computer, heated front seats, Sirius satellite radio. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.